Hi, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today we're gonna cook Calamari Ghee Roast. Now this is a seafood. We're gonna prepare a dry ghee roast using this calamari. Now I have taken half a kilogram of calamari. I have cleaned it and have cut it into rings and kept it aside. We will add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt for taste, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we will mix it and we'll allow it to marinate for 30 minutes. Now for the ghee roast, we're gonna prepare a paste. For this paste, we're gonna fry a few ingredients. So let's use a medium-sized pan. The pan is preheated. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of coriander, fry the coriander till it gets lighter brown in color. Once it is lighter brown, add 4 to 5 fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon, Now we will turn off the flame and we will fry these ingredients in the heat of the pan. Now we will shift it to a plate and we'll allow it to cool down. Now I have taken 4 Guntur chilies and 6 to 7 Byadagi chilies, and I have soaked it in water and I've kept it aside. For the paste, I have taken a mixer jar. We're going to add the ingredients that we roasted earlier. Add the soaked chilies. (10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm not adding tamarind to this. Now I'm going to use a different substitute for the tamarind. We will grind this into a fine paste. Now for preparing the ghee roast, I've taken a medium pan and have preheated it. We will add 3 teaspoons of ghee, Now the ingredients that we are using is for half a kilogram of calamari. Now once the ghee is warm, we will add the marinated calamari. We're going to fry it only for 1 minute. We will allow the water to simmer. Now once the water simmers, we will add the paste that we had made earlier. Once the oil starts separating from the gravy, we will add the masala water to the gravy. Mix it well. And we will check the salt at this point of time. We're going to add some salt. Cook it till the oil separates. Once the oil starts separating, add 2 strips of curry leaves. Mix it well. Now we're going to add the substitute for the tamarind. I have extracted the juice from one medium-sized orange and I'm going to use that juice in this curry. The oranges would give a different kind of tanginess to the ghee roast. We will cook till the water reduces. Now that the water is reduced, we will add the calamari to the gravy. We will cook it till the water reduces. Once the water is drained completely and the dish is dry, we will switch off the stove. Your calamari ghee roast is ready. If in case you missed out the ingredients, please look at the description below to find the ingredients and the method for cooking. Hope you loved my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.